Mid-American Energy's flood mitigation has caused gas services to be cut off for some of the Quad Cities area, including Campbell's Island. Local 4 News spoke with a trustee with the Campbell's Island Fire District in East Moline. He said people are turning to electric heat to replace gas heating, and now he is concerned about the increased use of space heaters.
Now, if it's space heaters, and what I gather, space heaters are a main cause of fire, and just being the fire department, it's like and if that's what people have to revert to, they will.
Rock Island and Scott County residents needing support with shelter are encouraged to contact the American Red Cross.